Hello. Today I'm going to count the fish. The big fish and the little fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 5. Come back. Did I count that one? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I think I lost count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do it. I can't count the fish. Maybe next time.